Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. So we're out here at this little path here, and I'm out here with my sons, Dreesy and Adam. And Dreesy thinks he can beat me in an off-road race. Let me turn mine on. You got yours turned on?
Yeah.
Dreesy's driving the Niva Enano, and I'm pushing the X43. Got my son Adam up there, and he put a stick all the way at the end of the path down there. That's the finish line. So we're gonna see who won. All right, don't cheat now. Keep your car right there.
On your marks, get set, go.
Oh. Challenge getting up getting up the dirt right there, because the dirt is real loose and everything. Oh man. No, you're cheating. No cheating like that. Oh, you lost. You shouldn't have tried to cheat. He tried to cheat. He tried to ram into me and gave up all this ground, and now he's getting smoked. And the crazy thing about it is the Niva Enano is a little faster than the X43. So he still has a chance.
Yes.
I'm holding it. Winner! No rematch, buddy. That was a one-shot deal. Frequent Flyer the victor.
I was planning on
Unsportsmanlike conduct costed him the race.
I was planning on trying to push your car like this when it caught up, so then that's when you would fall over.
Yeah, it backfired on you. Thanks for watching, y'all.